In this class, we will talk about rules of divisibility. We will talk these rules in two sections. In the first section, we will talk about the common rules of divisibility, and in the second section, we will talk about the application of these rules. So let's start with the first number, which is very easy one. That is, we are going to know the rules of divisibility for 2. That's very easy. That means we are actually trying to find out what are the numbers which are divisible by 2. So all the even numbers are divisible by 2, or we can say in other words, all the numbers which ends with 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Because if a number is ending with 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8, then definitely the number is an even number, and that will be divisible by 2. So all the numbers, like we can take the example like 24, this is an even number, ends with 4, divisible by 2. Like 32, like 90, like 1800, all these numbers are even number and so divisible by 2. What is the rule for 3? The rule for 3 is, if sum of the digits of the number is divisible by 3, then the number will also be divisible by 3. I will explain with the help of an example like 24. We all know that 24 is divisible by 3. And if we see sum of the digits of 24, that is 2 plus 4, which is equals to 6. So since 6 is divisible by 3, and so 24 will also be divisible by 3. Similarly, 144, let's see whether 144 is divisible by 3 or not. Sum of the digits of this number, that is 4 plus 4 plus 1, that is 9. Since 9 is divisible by 3, and so 144 will also be divisible by 3. Okay, let's go ahead. What is the rules for divisibility for 4? If the last two digit of a number is divisible by 4 or 0, 0. If the last two digit of a number is divisible by 4 or 0, 0, then the number will also be divisible by 4. For example, we can see like 244. Let's see the last two digits of 244, which is 44. Since 44 is divisible by 4, and hence this number 244 will also be divisible by 4. Let's take another example like 31224, a bigger number. If you have to check whether this number is divisible by 4 or not, then we'll have to check only the last two digit. Last two digit is 24, which is divisible by 4. It means this number is divisible by 4. Like 1800, whether this number is divisible by 4 or not. Yes, because the last two digit is 00, 0, which is stated here. Rule for 5, that is very easy. If a number is divisible by 5, that means that the number ends with 5 or 0. If the number ends with 5 or 0, then the number will be divisible by 5. Like any number which ends with 5 or 0, that will be divisible by 5. Then the next common rule is the rule for 8. What are the numbers which are divisible by 8? A number is divisible by 8 if the last three digits of a number is divisible by 8 or 000. If the last three digits of a number is divisible by 8 or 000, then the number will be divisible by 8. For example, you can take any example like 134, 168. So we have to check whether this number is divisible by 8 or not. So we check the last three digit 168 is divisible by 8, and so this number will also be divisible by 8. Like if we take a number like 134,000, whether this number is divisible by 8 or not? Yes, it is divisible because the last three digits are 000. Okay. Next rule is rule for 9. What is the rule for 9? Rule for 9 is similar to the rule for 3. If the sum of all the digits are divisible by 9, then the number will be divisible by 9. So it is similar to the rule for 3. So any number, for example, like 333, like 18333, these numbers are divisible by 9 because if you take the sum of the number like 3 plus 3 plus 3, 3 plus 3 plus 3, that is equal to 9, which is divisible by 9, we all know. And here 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 8 plus 9, that is 1 plus 8 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3, that is equal to 9 plus 9, that is 18, which is divisible by 9, and so this number will also be not divisible by 9. So we will talk about other divisibility rules and example in the next class.